guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Blue Balloon and I'm Soumya and today I'm here with a special guest.
Hello.
My sister. So today we are going to be playing Who's Most Likely To. So basically we have chits kept here in a bowl. Half of these chits are written by me, half of these chits are written by her. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to be taking...
Sorry guys, this turned out.
Okay, so basically we are going to be taking turns picking up chits and whomever we think is most likely to do that thing will get slapped by the opponent on their face by this pillow. You have to be gentle with the slap. Very important for her, she's a very aggressive person. So you guys will see how this unfolds. So let's get right to the video. Who is most likely to buy the best presents? 1, 2, 3, go.
तूने खुद को भी मारा और इसको भी
हाँ क्योंकि इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन तो दोनों पे तू क्यों चुपचाप बैठी थी?
इसको नहीं पता खुद को मारना होता है.
So she has broken the rules. She was supposed to slap herself, so I will slap her again because she was supposed to. Don't know what she's doing. But anyway, I feel like I give good gifts, but I'm a little broke. Okay, so I don't have enough money. But on the other hand, she has a job, so she gets an upper hand. So it's a very unfair.
Even when I didn't have money, I would give very.
Yeah, that time I was very small, so I didn't have the brain at all.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't have a brain now also, but she doesn't have a good taste.
Okay, I'm taking back my zipper. Who's most likely to drop their phone right after buying it? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, I dropped my phone a lot of times. But it's still there. See, we are recording with that same phone. It's got superpowers like me. Anyway.
Who is most likely to take a week to reply to a text?
She's putting such things on purpose, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm telling you, she's putting such things on purpose. I have other things to do.
Like sleeping all the time.
No, that's not good. Who's most likely to be sleepy the entire day? 1, 2, 3, go.
मैं मारने तो देती मुझे खुद को.
She's going to sleep the entire day. You enter her room anytime. She'll be sleeping. Morning sleeping, night sleeping, afternoon sleeping. I don't understand.
She sleeps only 1 hour less compared to me. So
Oh.
she's also equally, but now
Shut.
I'm in the picture, so that's why.
Correct.
मुद्दू भी तो sleep करते हैं. Who's most likely to have the loudest laugh?
1, 2, 3, go. See, you're a laughter.
I know I have a very nice laugh.
That is the loudest laugh. You laugh like a monster.
Everyone likes to hear it. She just shows her teeth and silent laughter.
Literally laughing in this video. I think she is deaf, guys.
She
Because she
laughs
keeps
with
hearing
me.
music
She
on
laughs
loud
with
volume. Is most likely to be killed first if they were in a horror movie. 1, 2, 3, go.
She's the one
She has
who
no
takes
presence
stupid.
of mind.
She is the one who takes stupid decisions. So
No, she is the one who makes sure. She'll be just sitting and crying and shouting and complaining until then the ghost would have captured her.
She's the one who will go out and do I don't know what nonsense. So
I think we both decision.
first her.
No, first her.
Like we both might be killed together in the same minute, but first her, then me. Because I can protect myself.
Ha 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 ha.
Look at her
ha,
laugh.
ha, ha, ha.
Who's most likely to be more pessimistic?
1, 2, 3, go. She's just hitting me for no reason. She is complaining all day long, okay, non-stop from morning to night, and then she has the audacity to vote me as more pessimist.
Yeah, because I can find positives in many situations, but she just focuses on negative, taking tension all the time. Look at her hair. Look what she has made of her.
Who is most likely to cancel plans at the last moment? Tricky question. Why are you sitting ready?
It's so tough.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
चल इस बार ठीक से बारा खुश रहे.
Yeah, but she also does okay. She
Yeah, I
has been saying, yeah, she has been saying she'll go back to her office place since 2 weeks. She's still here.
That's because she will get bored without
Yeah,
us. I'm very
yeah,
considerate. I like to
totally.
think about him.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
She will get slapped by me after this video.
Why am I getting slapped? I don't understand.
It will get slapped.
I hope this video never ends.
Who is most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their boss?
1, 2, 3, go.
You should look at her during her vivas. Actually, she's lucky that only 2 more people sit with her, so no one knows about it.
I am a very sincere and
But
nice
you should
student.
see what she says in viva.
What do I say?
What she says, like this hand movement
Why?
she will do. then she will say anything. She will know just one sentence and she will twist it and make anything.
See, that is called a trick to impress the boss, okay?
But you embarrass yourself.
That is not.
The boss is not stupid now. The teachers might be stupid, but boss is not.
She'll be laughing and giggling in front of the boss. One time, she just wished one person and did not wish the actual person who wished her good morning. Now that I don't think
I said
that person
hello to her.
Whose turn?
Forgetful. What she'll do in life, I don't know.
Why do you want to know? Just focus on your life.
On case only.
Yeah, after all, I'm your sister. Who is most likely
Like
to
me.
ask for advice but never take it? 1, 2, 3, go. I was in both of us.
Asks for my advice and I tell her do this, but she will not do it. Like recently only she asked me, should I post this on spam or mail? I said it looks better on spam. And
I
she
asked
said, no,
why.
will
I
do
asked why. She did not give me a reason. So now anything without
Then
reason
she
is
was-
equivalent to nothing at all.
Then she was on her mail and watching the story for 30 minutes. I said, now post it. She said, no, let me think. I finally pressed the post
I
button.
pressed my line over here.
ये फोर्स कर रहा था फिर जाके तेरा हाथ हिला. Otherwise तो ऐसा ही नहीं है. Who's most likely to get into trouble with parents?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, you too. I mean both of us. Okay? So she's the mischievous one, so she always gets into trouble.
I am not
I'm
at all.
very responsible, so I won't.
She is the one who says wrong things at the wrong time.
I'm just a very honest person. You cannot handle the truth like she cannot.
Yeah. Sure. Who is most likely to end up in jail? 1, 2, 3, go.
So I can give a good reason for this. Now I also do many things that might end.
She said she does things that will end her up in jail.
Yes, I did, but I'm also very smart, so I can cover up my tracks. But she is not smart, and she is also very angry and what nonsense she is.
I don't know what impression she has of me. I'm a
Think
very
of a-
nice and sweet and
Think of a negative
peaceful
quality that
person.
is her.
No, that's her.
I'm smart and I will be able to cover it up, but she won't be. She'll be behind the bars.
She'll be sent next
Help
to jail.
me! Actually, she'll not scream help. That would be me if I was ever to go behind the
She
bars,
will.
which I will
She
never.
will.
But she will just sit over
Please
there
choose
and
the
cry.
next chick.
Who's most likely to get lost?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, her only. Look at her hair.
Hey, you be quiet. Who is most likely to eavesdrop on a conversation? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, always eavesdropping, okay? Always has so much interest in listening to other people's conversation. Doesn't want to focus on her own life. Focusing on other people's life.
I'm a very fun person to be with. No, she's so boring.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to win a prestigious award?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, I think she will win one because she's very noble. Like a stupid noble king. She's too helpful.
Yeah, she's very cunning. So
कॉपी क्यों कर रहा है? आप कॉपी का अवार्ड चाहिए क्या? So whatever, let her take the award.
see, I'll win the award, guys.
Who is most likely to fall while walking?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, I will fall while walking myself, but I will push her and then she will also fall.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just very strong. I'm very strong.
Let me push her. That time she was actually careful because
Not at all. I am
she
very
knew I was
strong,
going to
guys.
push her. But look, now she fell.
No.
Yeah.
I didn't. Wait.
She's gone.
I am.
She's gone. क्या कर रही है?
So guys, we are done with the who's most likely to challenge. We survived. We made it out alive.
It's okay.
So-
She'll be dead afterwards.
So
If you don't get any more YouTube videos, don't see any more.
then
you
she'll
know
be
what
ending up in jail, and
No,
then
I
it would be true.
No, I won't.
Anyways,
Bye. Bye. I think this one is going to get the highest views because it has me.
so it's 0
And-
views only.
And that's why she has asked me to come because her reach is very low. I've noticed.
Yeah, totally, guys. You all are unsubscribing my channel. I think I should reconsider your decisions in life.